Hi everyone, again with the tool bows, but this is sort of the fluffy wider version, and this is made with the wider width tool versions. So this is the look you'll get, and as you can see they're sort of more, you can sort of fluff them up more, and the wider ribbon, it tends to have a slightly coarser feel, whereas these ones with the 2.5 inch ones with the embossed versions tend to be sort of a softer, more movable feel. So like I said, that's why you get the different looks to the bows. So this is 5-inch tool, and we are going to be using our 5.5-inch template. And again, the measurements and the places to purchase these, etc., all are in the description below. So we are going to take our template, and this is roughly, let me just measure it for you. I've misplaced my actual measuring tape in my cat-like way, so I'm just going to fold this into 4. It's 12, 24. So it's about 46 inches roughly, and I think that is about a metre. Yeah, it's about a metre of tool. So like I said, that's what we're going to put into the bow. And we are just going to take the template, and the other thing to do is, as you can see, that is the silver dots this side. If you turn it this way, they're like holographic, so you want to make sure that we've got the holographic side facing upwards. And I'm going to put it to the edge of my template like this, and take one of my clips. We're just going to clip that in the corner, and then we're going to take the rest of the ribbon, let's untangle it, and we're just going to wrap it round until we run out of tool. Round, round, keep going. See how pretty those holographic sparkles are? The suppliers will be in the description as well. I believe this was Heartfelt Craft Supplies. So there you go. It's perfect to go around the template with a little bit of an edge, and then just put that one clip there. I'm just going to put that one there as well, and as you can see it fits the stitch guide nicely. And with this one, normally I'd tend to do about 6 stitches, but on this one I'm going to do 10 to get 5. So from above always, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one up, which will be 10. I might adjust that because my stitches are a little uneven. So I'll just cut my knot at the end off. Pull that all the way through. Let's try again. The more even your stitches are, the nicer the finish will be, whether or not you're using tool or ribbon, just so you know. That's why I do these things when this happens on occasion. So 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, That's better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and on the back you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can take our clips off now, slip this off template, and if you ever have these snagging, thing to do is take some tape and just run that across the edge, and that'll stop any snagging if you ever have that issue with tulle. I tend to find that happens more with this smaller width, softer material than the sturdier stuff. And take your thread and cinch that all the way round and wrap your centre as normal. And again, if you wanted to, you could wrap your bow like this, and what you do is you'd just cut that excess down to there, which would be wrapped in your middle, and you can leave it like that, and I'll show you that with the middle wrapped in second, just so you can see. So just stitch it off in the back however you personally prefer. Okay, and I got some corresponding red here. So like I said, if you wanted to, you could leave it like that and do this version of the bow, or thread that out like this so that they're all flat. And then what I do is take the scissors, go in the loop, go all the way round so you've got it like this, quite tight, and then cut through one side. Now don't worry if it's a bit uneven at the moment, we're going to sort that out in a second. Same thing this side, thread your loop all the way up your scissors, scrunch it together, do it quite tight, cut through all those layers. As you can see, it's a little bit uneven, so all I do is pinch it together like this, and we're just going to trim it basically. So just trim it so you've got a nice clean edge that side, and obviously this one's a little bit more uneven, so again just take that side, trim it down, and if you need to, say this one's got a little bit out of its way, you can sort of cut that, and there you go. You've still got a lovely balanced bow, and then you just take your edges and give them a little fluff and a little plump, and then we're just going to add our clip and our 9mm, and then we've got a super cute fluffy tulle bow. A little bit of glue across there, attach our clip, hold that down for a second, heat seal the end of our 9mm in the blue clear bit of the flame. We'll also say this, don't ever heat seal tulle. It is much more flammable than gross grain and even organza and things like that, and it will go up very, very fast, so do not do that. Like I said, trim it off and get it until you've got a nice clean look for yourself, but don't ever take the lighter to anything other than when you wrap in your centre. Wrap round nice and tight once, round again over the original, cut the extra off, heat seal that again, touch your glue just there, and there you go. Super cute, fluffy tool bow with, like I said, the slightly thicker, coarser tool. And like I said, again, you can get this in multiple styles. Like I said, this is holographic sort of dots. Again, you can get this, I've seen it in Moons and Stars, I've seen it with the daisies, I've seen it with just fine glitter, ombre in lots and lots of colours, including tons and tons of plain colours as well. And that's the look you get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!